Good news for the structured settlement industry this week as the news emerged that there are 4 new structured settlement markets that are coming into play in the next couple of months. The first of which is Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway, the name needs no further introduction. Of course, we know Warren Buffett is the figurehead at the top of Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway Life of Nebraska, the new underwriting company. We'll be telling you more about that program shortly. Berkshire was in the market. Those who've been in the structured settlement industry or who've been involved in structures for 10, 15 or more years will remember Berkshire Hathaway's position in the market several years ago. They're a niche company, certainly a highly regarded company. They tend to be specialists on very long durations and long deferrals, especially on people who are younger. There's also USAA. USAA, the company that's most familiar to people who are military or children of people in the military, veterans and so on. USAA Life Insurance Company, USA Life Insurance Company of New York are 2 underwriting companies that have primarily up to this point underwritten USAA's property and casualty business, have done structured settlements emanating from that business. The word is that effective May 1st that is going to have a wider rollout. That's great news. It's another A++ rated company in addition to Berkshire Hathaway, in addition to New York Life, which has been underwriting structured settlements for many years. The next company is a company that we mentioned in a previous blog. It's called United of Omaha. United of Omaha is part of the Mutual of Omaha group. People remember Mutual of Omaha or know Mutual of Omaha because of other products that they sell, Medigap policies and long-term care insurance, and certainly the Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom is something that many people have heard or know about. But United of Omaha was once in the structured settlement business, and now, effective sometime in June, it will be back here again. And finally, a company, Hartford Life Insurance Company, which exited the structured settlement business only effective November 1st of 2009, is now back in, having survived the financial crisis and having survived other internal issues which have been resolved. So we're very excited about having 4 new markets. I think it will make things a little bit more competitive. But I do want to say that if you are a consumer and you are, or you are an attorney, understand that these products roll out slowly. And not everybody may be appointed with every market right away with some of these new markets. They want to make sure that they have the ability, or they staff up to be able to meet the capacity. What this leads to is some opportunists, and some people may say, well, we've got more markets than they do, and therefore we can give you a better price. But the fact of the matter is that the companies that are in the market today have already demonstrated they can stay the course. You've got companies like New York Life that have been in business for a long time, MetLife, American General, John Hancock has been around for a reasonably long period of time. These are companies that not only survived the financial crisis, but they did not exit from it. They've been consistently through for 10+ years, and some even longer than that. So I wouldn't rush to a judgment that just because somebody has 1 or 2 extra markets, at least initially, that there's more of an advantage of doing business with them versus somebody else. If anything, the existing markets will do everything they can to match or compete. I mean, this just makes the market even more competitive. So just, don't jump ship just because you hear somebody saying we've got this new market. It is a very good piece of news, and we hope that there's more entrance into the marketplace in due course, and we hope that the marketplace expands with new applications. Thank you. I'm John Dara. Have a great day.